Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I would like to show you about the free gas generator. So we got the gasoline. This one. This is the petrol, and this is the normal water. It's just drinking water. And two of this drum is only the air bag that I pump the air into this one because this drum can be used for 7 days if I pump it longer time. So I just pump a little bit to show you. I have no power to pump longer than this. So I just pump a little bit air into this drum. Alright, so just a little bit only, so the air is not too much. So I start to show you what is the process. So if you don't have any gas or any stove at your home, but you have a little bit gasoline and you want to cook any food or any rice or the water for drinking coffee, you can just do like me and you find a little mug to store the air. So now the air is coming. I open the valve. Okay, so the air coming into the petrol, and the water is just cut off the gas, not returning back to the petrol. Okay, so here's the fire. The fire it just comes through the water and come in this way, and it's, as you can see that the fire very strong. You can cook to make the coffee, or you can cook the food, cook the rice. What you need is just only the petrol and air, and the water you have everywhere. So just a little bit petrol, you can cook a lot of food at your home. So I put in the stove, so any stove that you have, just put like that. Okay, so it's come out. So the energy, the power is depending on the air. If you pump a lot of air in the drum, so the drum pulls strong gas. So make sure that you pump more air into the drum. As I noticed that this is the empty air already because I pump a little bit only. It's not too much. So that is all for my tutorial today, and I hope you understand the process and you can do it at home with your own risk. So as you know that the petrol is very dangerous if you don't care about burning fire at home. So please do it, but do with your own risk. Bye, thank you, see you the next video.